Good morning. It is Thursday in July. We are about to get a storm, I believe. I don't think it's supposed to be real bad. We weren't in the flooding that was up in northern mid. It's in the hill country. I think it is where the flooding was. But if you're new here, hello, I'm Erica. Welcome to Life with Erica. I haven't filmed in a minute, so this is all crazy. My phone, like when I would go to answer it, would turn black, and I kept trying to baby it and trying to baby it and trying to baby it. And finally, I just gave in and got a new phone. So let me know if the sound is good. If the sound isn't good, I'll start plugging the microphone in. I just have to get a new piece for the back because it's a different piece that goes on it. And I don't know where I put those. So, but we got the Ipsy bag. You can see it's big. I added on 2 things because I wanted to start building up the giveaway for towards Christmas or the end of the year. So I added 2 things onto it. This is, I think it cost me a total of like 40 bucks, maybe a little over, because I didn't like go crazy. But the first thing I got is First Aid Beauty Soothing and Brightening Lotion with AHA and urea. It says, it's got like a little thing on here. It says peach. Let's see. I'm going to open it here, see if it's open. Yeah. Oh, it does. It smells good. It smells good like peaches. I'm not going to put it on right now, but it's in this bottle. It's a nice hefty size. Here we go. Ipsy for July. It says Passport to Play. Summer Trend Bronzer, ideal in-between shade. It's warmer than blush, brighter than bronzer. Huh. I don't know. And then it's got little bags over here. Fall collection. It says next stop fall collection, 8 products. I think that's for the Ipsy premium or whatever. Okay, we have Alamar Cosmetics, Princia. Let's see. Ooh, those are pretty, but they might not be for me. I know I still need to do the other one. I'm probably not gonna use this, so this is probably going in a giveaway. In the giveaway. All right. Next thing. Okay, this is one of the things I bought from the Ipsy shop by Beauty Creations and Rosie McMichael. Yeah, Rosie McMichael. It comes in this. And they were liquid eyeshadows that are duochrome. And I was like, oh, that is so nice. I'm going to buy that. So I bought that to put in the giveaway. All right, next thing is Pure Lease AHA PHA Flash Facial Mask with kiwi enzymes, exfoliates skins, brightens uneven skin tone. I will probably use this because I love these kind of things. And it's just a little squeezy tube component. It says remove, of course, AHA removes dull, dead skin cells and brightens smooth and even tone. PHA promotes gentle exfoliation and retain moisture. Kiwi enzymes works to reduce redness and soothes irritated skin. Lychee supports brightening the skin. Goji berry helps with evening out skin tone and enhances radiance. Huh. Gonna let y'all know. Let me put this right here. All right, the next thing is What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Setting and Refreshing Spray. And it looks like this. This was the box it came in. And this is pretty much the same. Let's see how the spritz is. It doesn't smell like roses. It does feel refreshing. From What's Up Beauty. I haven't heard of that. I'm going to stick it over there so I can look up that beauty brand. Let me put that there. Okay, the next thing in here is Ace Beauty. Oh, this is another thing I picked because I wanted to try their concealer. Watch it be the wrong color. Because it's hard to pick what your color is. It looks light. But the next one up was like really dark. Because of course, Ipsy doesn't have like all the colors. Not perfect, but not bad. It's a little light, so what I do when I have made a mistake and got a light concealer, I have some foundation on this brush, so I will do that over it to kind of blend it into it with the foundation, like so. See, watch. Let me see if it still has enough foundation on it. Not really. Well, enough. You could just see it on there, but I can't. So does it have flashback? Is that what it's called? Because when I look at it in the regular light, I can't see it. But when I look at it on there, I can. All right, put this in the drawer. All right, and the last thing, I did pick this because I knew I didn't like it, so I put it in the giveaway. It's the D Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops by Drunk Elephant. I don't use them, so I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and get these to give to y'all. So, once again, I got 3 things for y'all. And this time I got 4 things for myself, so that works out, right? But I got the giveaway box. I believe it's this one. Yeah. I have everything in a sealed box so that it doesn't get messed with. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. I am still working on some things, and I am going to, if the storm is not too bad, I will try to film tomorrow to put up Monday to do this eyeshadow palette, because I still haven't tried it. This Moon Slice one. I love the look of this and I want to try it. So I'm waiting till camera so y'all could see how I like it on camera. But I loved the way they swatched, so we are trying that soon. But they're doing medication changes for Eric again. And tomorrow he has a doctor's appointment that more than likely they will be changing medication again, because he's gotten, I think we're going to have to change to a medicine that it's like extended release, so it doesn't have the ups and downs, because he's been having extreme downs, and he had an ear infection, which didn't help, but life of an autism mommy, right? But anyways, I love y'all. I want to come back. I'm working on it. Everything is falling into place. I finally got a new phone, and I don't have to worry about it blacking out or not recording, or, I mean, it was doing the most. But I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Stay safe. If you're following me on Facebook, I'll let you know, but I'm pretty sure it's just going to be some rain. It's looking pretty rough outside. Last night is probably worse than what we're going to get today, because we had tree branches fall on Jason's truck. It didn't break nothing, but it was pretty wild. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.